Okay, so this is going to be a nice way to go after the inside of the hip, the medial hip or the groin that gets really, really gunky with a lot of runners. So we've got the dual vision there. That's not somebody sneaking up behind me, the mirror in the background to see kind of a different angle. So I've just got my foot up on the treadmill. So I got a low step to start with. You can use a chair or anything like that, but just start off here. And you're leaning forward, getting this motion, but you're gonna bring your body weight backward. And you can see that this is my left leg, so we're going after the inside here. Putting my left hand, not on the top of my hip, but lower on the bone to really push. By pushing on the bone, this is the femur bone, which is part of the hip capsule, and that's what a lot of times can be very tight. The muscles are tight through here, but we're doing a self hip mobilization, and see how I'm kind of wringing my hand down and in, right through here, and that should be really tugging through this spot here. Now this right hand's just sitting here not doing anything, so we got to put it to work. So you're gonna reach up, up and back through here, really open that up a bit more. And again, as my right hand's going back, my left hand is rolling down and in on the femur, really opening this up through the hip capsule. Okay, that's a good one to start with. Okay, getting our rhythm going there. Also in this position, you're gonna lean your chest, torso, forward and backward. Okay, as you lean back, it's really gonna open this up. Guess what? We're gonna use the arm again, really open that up. Hand, again, not on the top of the hip, hand low, so you can really add a little extra push. Now we're reaching back. Okay, now we're gonna go over top, so we're gonna go to the side. Reach that left hand. Again, you don't want a wimpy one here. This is not just a, like you're at a rock concert. This is think of it, if God is pulling your arm upward toward the sky, because God wants you to have good hip mobility. Okay, so reaching that through there. Then what I want you to do, change the grip on your hand. So your palm goes on your hamstring, your thumb is coming forward through here. So you're down on your quad and your hamstring now. So you're doing more of a mobilization. This is more the muscle, so this is not going to be as much of a capsule stretch. So you're turning your hand down and in, following along what the femur's doing here, really kind of wringing out those muscles. Okay, so we're going to do that same series again, reaching back, opening this up a bit more. Okay, really getting a nice pull through there. Okay, and it's not a ton, you're just following along with what the hand are doing. We learned through the Gray Institute something called functional manual reaction, and it's a great tool to have to learn how to help patients and clients get a little bit further. Okay, reaching through there. Okay, then for the backward, you've just got your hand and you're pushing the thigh forward as you're reaching backward. Okay, nice self-mobilization through here. Pushing, again, this is not a bend through the elbow. Reach. Think what would happen if you had a 3-pound weight in your hand. So that's a progression for this. Okay, then you're gonna go to the side. And this, again, you're on the thigh. Just a ton of stretching through the muscle. Right through there. Again, God wants you to have good flexibility. Nicole wants you to have good flexibility. And you want to pass by all those other runners out there. So a great progression is a higher step. Do this again on a higher step, because you're going to be able to really work on that flexibility through there. Then turn yourself around, do it all again for the opposite side, so you're not lopsided running around in a circle. All right? Happy stretching, guys.